Alright, Leo. Wait a second. Yep, I just logged him in. Hey there, sweetie. Why you seem so funny, Leo? Huh? I don't think she is. Okay, then. So, oh, you're doing War Church. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I was in the news stream. Like Tom and Bear News. Yeah, I was on there yesterday, Leo said. I know, and you were doing War Church. Okay, word starting with A. Ooh, that's gonna be easy one. Oh, able. Oh, yeah. Oh, away is a word. Wow, Leo, you found it. Nice job. Oh, you found the word able. Oh, the word ache or something? Yeah, it might be ache. Oh, I don't. Leo, what did I tell you? You were about to say it.
What?
Say what? Don't listen to her. Oh, whoops. It's okay then. Anyways. Okay, let me see. H, action, ape. Okay, let me see what I can find. Okay. What's going on? Oh, that's the word pop. Now that's not up there. Okay, let me see what I'm trying to find. Oh my god, you found it already. Nice job.
Good job.
Oh, I found apple, sweetie. There you go. Now, ooh, there's the word art. Let me see. Let's find the word action first. Wow, Leo, you found the word action. Nice job. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, there's the word ape, and where's art? Should we wait here? Okay, come on, where's art? Oh, good job, Leo, you found it. It's backwards. Forward, backwards. Oh, places to live. Oh boy. I think so. Okay, let me see what we can find. I don't know what that B word is. Bungalow. I think I said it right. Bungalow. I think so. Okay, let's find that word. Wow, Lou, you found it. Oh gosh. Good job, buddy. You found the word bungalow. Okay, let's see. Caravan. Okay. Ooh. Well, that was a close one. Oh, you found it. Nice job. Well, that was a close one. Oh. Ooh, you found cottage. Nice job. Now let's find cave. Ooh. Cave. Oh, I mean cave. Sorry. You're fine, Ben. Ben might tell me. Yeah, what's going on? Well, me and Leo just finding words on his computer. Oh, that looks fun. I know. You can find any words that's easy. Oh, whoop, nope, that's not it. Oh, there's the word can, but that's not up there. Yeah. Okay, cave. Where was it? I think it might be backwards. You'll see. What did he say? Or oh, there it is. There's cave. Well, not that. There you go, buddy. You found it, Leo. Good job. Chalet? I don't know what that is. It might be a place to live or something.
How you spell it?
Chalet. Oh, Leo just found it. Already. Oh, we're gonna find condo. Oh God, he found it already. How did you find it so quick? I know anything. Oh yeah? Yes? Where you going? Crazy or something? No? Okay, let me see. Oh, your house is a place to live. Oh, wait there, wait there. There you go. What the? How you find the house so fast? Um, it's right there. Oh, it's backwards. Okay. Oh my goodness. You found them all. Way to go, my one. You almost called me son? Wow, man. I never heard you call Leo son before. I almost did, Ben, my tummy. I know. I'm just at the park. Ooh, birds. Way to go. Okay, next is glass. Yep, sure is. Oh, there's some G's. Ben, Leo just found it already. And kids, too. Oh my goodness, Leo. Oh, you found picnic. Oh, Leo. I can't believe you found it so fast. Is it picnic? Yes. Oh, pay and it's play. Oh, he already found it, Ben. I know. Oh, Swain is Leo's favorite. Oh boy, he already found it, Ben. And trees, too. Wow, I don't what? Oh, it says school. Oh, I guess Leo likes school. Boo, that's not it. Boo, it's book. Yeah, it's book, not boo. Uh, Leo, you bumped? Come on, where's board? I know where board is. Right here, Ben, Leo said. Wow. I never seen you found any words that you can find. Oh my goodness, you found book. Wow. Exam? Okay, let's see it. Exam. Leo, I think I found it. Where is it? Tell me, Ben. It should be down at the bottom or top somewhere. Hmm. Where's the X? Oh, I found it, Ben. There you go. It's down at the bottom. No fact, what? Whew. Okay, fact, I can't say it. Oh, good. Leo found it. Oh, grade. Okay, let's find grade, Leo. Already found it, Leo. Wow, I don't believe you. Ben. What? I'm trying to be nice to him. Oh, Leo found Jim. What? Is that your favorite class, Jim, Leo? Yeah. What? Lab? Okay, Leo's going to the table, right, Leo? Yeah. Oh. Ugh. Oh, wait. What? Ooh, notes. I need to find notes. Wow, Leo, you found it? And quiz, the last one? Way to go, son. Whoops, I just called you son, sorry. It's okay, Ben. It's okay. I'm not your son. Oh. Leah asked, guys, can we take a break? I'm getting... Sure. Oh, okay. Level 19 we're at, right? Yep. Okay, I guess we can take a break. Ooh. What? Excuse me? What is it, man? Oh, you bumped. It doesn't smell that bad. Are you sure? Helios swam to the lab. Oh, yes. What?
can't see.
Who's at the door? Okay, I'm coming. Oh, good, it's Tom. Did you know that Leo found any woods today? Oh yes, we've been finding them for like I think 15 minutes now. Guys, I gotta get my phone. I'll be right back. Did somebody text you or? Yes, it was Travis. He said amazing. Oh, what'd you do to make him say amazing, Leo? Guess what? What is it, friend? I saw a train and that's why he said amazing. Wow, I don't believe it, Leo said. Yes, I said, wow, Leo, I don't believe it. You saw a train today. I'm so proud of you. Was it too hot for that train? Yeah. 80 degrees right now. Ooh, what? Oh my goodness, 92 today. Wow. What? The heat watch? Oh, it's in Relevant Beach. Oh. Wow, good thing that Leo's not down here, right, buddy? Yep. Oh, that's my boy. Oh my goodness, it's supposed to be rain on Sunday. Leo, if you're thirsty, ask your Glim and she can give you some tea.
You can get some tea? I'll get you some.
Whew. Now I feel better. Hmm? What's wrong? I don't know why that did that. Well, Leo, I'm gonna ask you something about the train. So, how many cars does he have? I think 7. Yep, there were 7 cars in that video.
Who was on the back?
Nobody is, I don't know. 7 cars on that train today. Wow, that was short. I thought it was going to be 8, but nope, 7 cars. Well, can I explain why I saw a train? Sure, sweetie, go ahead. Whoop. Okay, we looked for a train earlier. It was 7 o'clock. No, 7 o'clock?
8.
It was 8 o'clock. Oh, yeah, right. And as we looked at first quality, he was right down there working. Oh, okay. So he's done already, right? Yeah, and we went back to the yard and looked. There was nothing. And then we went back to first quality, and then I hear him coming, Leo said. Wow, I do not believe you, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Let me see, ooh, there it is. Yep, I got 2 videos of him. Good job. Thank you. Oh, those rabbits look cute. What's it? Oh yeah, it tells you when you took a picture. Or where. Oh, I think they look like Oreo cookies. That's what Travis texted me, Leo said. Okay, but I'm sure they look like skunks, but they're rabbits. Yeah? Chocolate chip. I like it, Leo. What? What's going on, fellas? Nothing. Me and Leo was just explaining why he saw a train. Oh, did he really see a train? Yes. Wow. Oh, what's this photo? Ah, no rats. Oh boy, man, they're not gonna hurt ya, they're just rats. They're just in a cage from yesterday. Oh, he took a picture of Rat's head. Wow, he got eyes and ears and... Yuck. Oh my gosh. Well, what's that? Is that a plane? Yes, Venom Tommy. It is a Piper Cub, I think. Oh wow. I've never seen a paper cup before. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. They're flying. They're gonna be flying all over. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, I see that other Piper Cub.
Guess what?
What?
I was going to make you ice cream. I make you iced tea.
Ooh. Oh. Oh. What do you see in this photo, guys? Leo said. Wait a minute. I've seen 4 rabbits that look like they have white and having a black and oh, okay.
Making iced tea for you.
Ooh, look, your Glenn's making iced tea for you, right, Leo? White Sugar Ben. What'd you just call me? I called you Sugar Ben. Spending my time, did you just hear that? Yeah. Cup and half of sugar. Yeah, that's right. You're so silly, Leo said. Hey, Leo, remember when you wanted to tell me bad news? And I was like, whoa, 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 that's way too much sugar. Yeah. Oh, do it again, Ben. Whoa, 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 that's way too much sugar. There you go. Oh, what's this on top of me? Leo, you're covering me up with tubes. I'm just kidding. I only found 2. One of them is long and one of them is short.
Literally got me so cool.
Oh, I hear what you said. Leo, can you tell me? Oh yeah, I just heard what she said. Okay, Ben. What are you gonna do if? Are you a tube collector or something? I am, Leo. Oh boy. So Leo, how many tubes are you gonna collect? Probably 5 or 10. I'll just say 10, Leo. Ben, my time he said, I'll choose 10 as well. And I'm gonna collect 10 of them, guys. So you're right. Ooh. Oh, you got it right, Ben. I know. Okay. Wow, 9:35 already. Well, Leo, you want to log out for like 5? Oh, no, not 5. 10 minutes. Sure. Okay. All right. What are we gonna talk about, guys? Didn't we talk about his birthday last time, right? Oh yeah, that's right. We talked about it. What was that? I have no clue. It's just a tea maker. Oh. Hmm.
Oh, I didn't get nuggets. I go to the save a lot.
Ooh, don't forget that, guys. Guys? I guess Leo oh yeah, Leo does like nuggets. Right? Right, buddy? Yup. Oh, right. Oh, is that a skydiver? Oh, that's from Travis, Leo said. Oh yeah, I see now. Okay. Okay. Leo, I believe your tablet's wet. Oh, paper towel. That's great.
Hey, just off you.
Uh-huh.
Just wipe it over the whole thing.
There you go.
Take paper towel and wipe it too.
There, that's much better. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm gonna... Oh, you're taking your tablet with you. Oh, right. Who's what? Grandma told me what? Leo, what did I tell you about hitting me? Huh? I'm crazy, Ben. Oh, are you? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that's somebody with the parachute. Oh, yeah, I think Travis saw that, Leo said. Oh, I see. I know. I get it. I've never seen somebody with the parachute before. I have, Leo said. Oh, I guess you just saw it, huh? Parachute can keep you from falling, to save you from falling. Oh, I guess Travis did. It says from Travis. Oh, excuse me, Leo said. What's wrong? Ooh, la, 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 la. Don't tell anybody. You'll come just bubbed.
You told everybody. I'm drunk. Why did you talk?
What? Beeswax? Oh, Leo, let me check your wheel a second. Oh, I still see nothing. Well, Leo, you must got your ears flushed. Yeah, you must... Oh.
Sorry.
You're fine, guys. Hmm? It's me. Leo, you're funny. Oh, gosh. Are you okay? I'm fine, Leo. I'm fine. Oh. Don't worry, Leo. I'm not upset. What's the matter? Nothing. Okay. I thought you weren't gonna cry or something. No, I'm fine. Oh, you got 3 minutes left. Ooh. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, I know, it's okay. Oh, I see now. Oh, Ben, what do you say? Excuse me. What is? Leo? Oh my goodness. You got 2 minutes left. I know. I see. Ooh. What? Is that an arcade, Ben? Oh, yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Leo. I guess you can log out now. Okay, good. Why you mean good? Okay, Leo. I hope you have a great day today, okay? And make sure you get in Tom and Ben News if you feel like it. Okay, bye.